Okay, good. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are back in the channel a little about the world of education. This time I will. How can one create a tutorial? Certain teachers participating in PP print the RAIN participant cards. Let's get straight to it. But first, let's open Google Chrome. Our electricity goes into Google Chrome. Our teacher then goes straight to Merdeka Mengajar. We'll go straight to the Merdeka Learning Platform. Purchase support teaching materials after logging into PM and select Education Certification. Okay, after you have received the certification, then we click on the Welcome UKP gig list here. Entering UKPPG. Then scroll down. Print the test cards. Okay, let's click on the test card print. Then we'll beat us. Download and save. Okay, you've had a hard time. This is associated with the prison, namely friends. Thank you so much from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.